This question says that to state the order of the matrix product SR, the order of the matrix product. That's what it's being tested there. So when you multiply S by R, what type of matrix? What is the order of the result? What is the order of the product? Let's look at S and R. There's S and R. Let's bring them forward. Here is S and R. S is a 3 by 2 and R is a 2 by 2. When you multiply S to R, what is the product? Is it possible to multiply S to R? How many columns S has? 2. How many rows R has? 2. So multiplication is possible. Okay? Because the inner numbers are the same. Let's carry forward that same concept we used previously. But now we're talking about SR. S times R. S is a 3 by 2. R is a 2 by 2. Those two inner numbers are equal, so multiplication is possible. Now, what is the product now? Let's look at the conditions. It says the resulting matrix, that is the product. Okay, here it is, known as the matrix product. When you multiply, you get a product in mathematics. Has the number of rows of the first and the number of columns of the second. Read this very carefully. The product, the number of rows of the product have to be the same of the first. Reading from left to right. And the number of columns must be the same as the second. So therefore now, if we are multiplying a 3 by 2 times a 2 by 2, okay, the product now is going to be, it must have the number of rows of the first and the number of columns of the second. It's going to be, let's put that in. That's 3 by 2. So we can color code this. Let's put this. Okay. The product is going to be a 3 by 2. Okay. It must have the rows of the first and the columns of the second, as stated here. Rows of the first, here it is. Rows of the first, columns of the second. Please take note of this. All this down, please write it down in your notebook. Okay, this is very important. So that's the answer. That's the product. The product will be a 3 by 2.